The couple, on behalf of the both family, I apologize for starting this late. In fact, let the blame be on me. Thank you, but this time I want you to respond to me. Nobody no. Thank you. I think we're about to start. Please, if you know you are from Anambra here, please, can you wave your hand for me? I'm an Igbo Anambra, light of the nation. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to start. But before I do that, ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is the man they call Dixon Okafor. On social media, you can get me at Dixon Event on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. By the special grace of God, I'm a professional MC, and I'm from Idemi local government, Abumonyo Joto, Anambra State. Because call him the marker. So I need a booth. Chief, and I'm making a good cover. Hi, Chief, and I'm making a good. Thank you. Sorry for that. Hi, Chief. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want to acknowledge the presence of the bride's family. They call them Okafor family because Okafor family. One thing about this wedding is this. Listen to me now. The Okafor family, like I introduced myself, my name is Dixon Okafor. That means the bride's family is answering the same surname with me. That is Okafor. Kona Kanu from Ka. Now let me give you another clue. This wedding is tagged Nazo and Nonso 2022. My Igbo name is Chuku Nonso. That's Nonso. So the groom, his name is my namesake. So already now here. Now can you take the number 3? The number 3 of this thing, why they choose me and why I'm the most qualified person to carry you along and make sure you have fun is the chairman of the day. I will see announcing funds from my village, Ojoto. So ask me, hi Chief, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want to acknowledge you.